Flying has always been my passion since I was just a kid. I made this video to show you how everyone should get up in the air flying with the private plane. First, of course, you need a pilot's license, which is not very difficult to get. After this 50 hours of flying 10 to 15,000 euros, you get the license that allows you to fly a single engine plane. Now, anyways, I'm on my way to do the commercial license where I need more flying hours. Today's flight takes us to Kalajoki from Oulu. First, pre-flight inspection where we check the plane, fuel, oil and so on. We are now ready to jump into the cockpit. Checking the weather.
Weather report, wind 160 degrees.
We check all the required maps, charts, airport information and so on. We get the permission from air traffic control to get to the runway. And then clearance to take off.
Just landed in Kalajoki, which is a beautiful place, especially during the summer. Now the next thing we're gonna do is get some lunch and have swim, cool down, and then take our course back to Oulu. Flying is kind of entrepreneurship. Plane cannot take off until it reaches enough lift. You need enough airspeed to get up into the air. Same way, the entrepreneurs, they need to keep doing things rapidly to get their business flying. Keep pushing, working hard, trying new things. Now it's time to take our course back to Oulu.